welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can already tell from the title of the video, today I'm going to be doing a room tour. I am so freaking excited to start this video because I've always loved watching room tours and I can't wait to show you my room. Without further ado, let's start by the door. So right in front of us, we have the door that you would normally walk through, and on those little hangers is my go-to backpack and my tote bag, and then this door is my closet door. I have a very tiny closet, but it's functional. So on top of that, I have my winter coats or just some jackets. And then if we kind of turn around, I have this little hallway that goes into my room that does take a lot of space. My rug is from Target. This couch is actually from a store called Pier 1, but it went out of business, I think, during COVID. And I love this pillow. I'm pretty sure it's from Target. And then the tapestry is from Amazon. And then we turn over here, and that is me. But yeah, this is my mirror. And I actually don't remember where I got my mirror from, so sorry. And then we keep turning past the couch, and I have this little fridge area. So in this little area, I obviously have my fridge. I think I got my fridge from Walmart or just somewhere online. I forget where, but it is the Frigidaire brand. And I literally love this fridge. It is so cute. When I go to college, I'm definitely bringing that with me. And on top is this little bin that I store just utensils, my Starbucks cups, my vitamins, literally all of my Lululemon tags, and some medicine. And then in this little bin, I have my trash refill, and there's my trash. And my sidewalk sign, which I did take when they were doing construction. And right here, I just have a little box of, not box, but little bin of blankets with a book on top. Then turning from that area, I have my dresser, and this dresser, I believe I got in IKEA. I had a dresser that matched the rest of my furniture, but I did get rid of it. So on top of my dresser, I have my Dyson because there's no space in my bathroom. I have a small bathroom. And here I have a bunch of books that I need to read, and the bottom ones I've read. And then my favorite little thing is that gumball. It is gumball machine. I got it at Target for $5, and it is so freaking cute. And then I have that candle that smells like coconut, and it's so good. It's definitely the best smelling candle out of all of my candles. And then we go over here, and I literally talk so highly about these. They're my freaking favorite. So they are on display here. I have the medium one and the bigger one. Then here I have my favorite perfume, and my projector and my remote to the projector is right here. So that is what is on top of my dresser. So moving over to this little window seal area, I need to clean it up a little bit. Obviously I should have done that. But I have my little deodorants there. They literally do not sell these anymore, and they are so freaking cute to travel with or just to put in your purse. And then I have my Target candles right there. And this is my bed. So my bedding, I believe, is from Target, and that pillow is from Target. I think most of this is all from Target. And then my bed frame is actually from Pottery Barn Teen. And as you can see, I have those lights up there because, yeah, they're so freaking cute. Anyways, then we go to my nightstand. I have to move my water bottle. Anyways, my nightstand is a little mirror, and I actually stole this from my mom. I forget where she got this from, but I stole it from her room a long time ago, so it's just been mine ever since. So right here, I have this little thing that I got years ago. That is a picture, or this whole thing is me and my cousin. And then right here, I have these little gems that my cousin also got for me. And I have this little picture of my dog. And the frame is literally so cute because it has little gems. And I don't remember where I got it, but it's so freaking cute and I love it. Then I have my dream car right here. So, yeah. And then moving over to my desk, I did just put my water bottle on my desk. This desk is from Pottery Barn Kids, I'm pretty sure. It might be teen. I don't really remember. I will try to find the set and put it right here if I do. This chair, I believe it was an antique chair, so I don't know where that one's from. And then right here, I just have the books that I'm reading. I am reading This Summer I Turned Pretty, and then I have my iPad and my planner right here. And then here, I just have a bunch of like pens and markers, my Apple Watch and my AirPods. And then going over to this side, I kind of just have a bunch of things that I would need. I kind of keep like mascara, like stuff like that here. And then, yeah. So, oh yeah, then I also have that little bin from Target that I got, and I placed it there for extra storage. And then right here, I do have my like sunglasses and my purse and a mask right there, but yeah. So this is a little slow walkthrough of what my room looks like all together. Yeah. I am going to show you guys my room at night, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to film it at night, obviously, because it's still light outside, but it definitely looks a lot better, I think, with all of the LEDs, because I do have LEDs like multiple places throughout my room, so I think it definitely does look better when those are on. Anyways, I enjoyed filming this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. I did put in the clips of it at night, which I think it's my favorite at night. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.